Morning students. Today class 10 mathematics basic sample question paper 2021 3 mark question solved. Question number 27. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Proof. Let question number 27. Let root 3 is a rational number அப்படின்னு choose பண்ணுறோம். irrational number prove பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Let root 3 is a rational number அப்படின்னு choose பண்ணுறோம். Therefore root 3 equal to rational number ஓட form root 3 equal to a by b. root 3 equal to a by b. a and b are integers and co-prime numbers or இப்படி கூட ரைட் பண்ணலாம். the HCF of a comma b equal to 1. a and b ஓட HCF ஓட வேல்யூ எவ்வளோ இருக்கணும் 1. root 3 equal to a by b. cross multiplying a equal to root 3b. squaring on both sides. A square equal to 3 root 3 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 3b square. Therefore a square is divisible by 3 by theorem. A is divisible by 3. A square is divisible by 3 by theorem. A is divisible by 3. இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு இப்போ 9 ஸ்கொயரோட வேல்யூ 81. இப்போ 81 is divisible by 3 27. 9 square is divisible by 3 னா 9 also is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. அதுதான் a square is divisible by 3 by theorem. a is divisible by 3 அப்படின்னு சூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு புட்டு a equal to 3c அப்படின்னு சூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். புட்டு a equal to 3c. applying in equation 1 equation 1 apply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 3c the whole square equal to 3b square. 9c square equal to 3b square. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore b square equal to 3c square. b square equal to 3c square. That is b square is divisible by 3. b is divisible by 3. That is 3 is a factor of a and b. 3 is a factor of a and b, which is contradiction, which is contradiction. Therefore the HCF a and b is a 1 அப்படின்னு தான் சூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். பட் a and b ஓட 3 is a common factor of a and b. இப்போ another factor வந்திருக்கு. 3 is a common factor of a and b, which is contradiction. Therefore root 3 is rational is wrong. Therefore root 3 is irrational. Hence proved. Question number 28. Two tangent TP and TQ drawn at a circle with the center O. It is a tangent TP and TQ drawn to a circle with the center O from an external point T. Circle oda center O, external point T, T ல இருந்து 2 tangent draw பண்ணுறாங்க. Prove that angle PTQ equal to 2 into angle OPQ. 2 into angle OPQ. This angle prove பண்ணோம். 2 into angle OPQ. First choose, let angle PTQ equal to theta அப்படின்னு choose பண்ணுறோம். This angle is choosing theta. External point இருந்து draw பண்ணக்கூடிய 2 tangent ஓட length equal, therefore TP equal to TQ. Therefore the triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle. The triangle TPQ is isosceles triangle. TPQ. Therefore isosceles triangle oda meaning, the side is equal, two sides equal இருந்தா the two angles is equal, therefore angle TPQ இந்த angle TPQ angle TQP equal இருக்கும். Therefore angle TPQ equal to angle TQP equal இருக்கும். Therefore angle TPQ எப்படி find out பண்ணலாம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, the sum of interior of a triangle ஓட angle 180 இருக்கும். Therefore one angle is theta, the remaining two angles 180 minus theta, the remaining angle 180 minus theta by 2. The two angles is same, the side is equal, angle is equal, therefore 1 by 2 into 180 minus theta, therefore two angle, therefore TPQ TQP, therefore the angle 100 அப்படி இருந்தா the remaining angle 80, அதுதான் 40 plus 40 அப்படின்னு ரைட் பண்ணலாம். அதான் 1 by 2 into 180 minus theta. Suppose this angle 60 அப்படின்னு இருந்தா the remaining angle 120 60 plus 60 அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். அதான் 120 by 60 அப்படின்ற போல 120 1 by 2 into 180 minus theta அப்படின்னு ரைட் பண்ணுறோம். 1 by 2 உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா 90 minus theta by 2, 90 minus theta by 2. Find the angle OPQ. PTQ equal to 2 into angle OPQ ன்னு prove பண்ணோம். Therefore OPQ equal to angle OPQ equal to OPT angle OPT minus the whole angle இருந்து this angle subtract பண்ணுறோம். angle TPQ by theorem 10.1 ஒரு சர்க்கிளோட ரேடியஸும் டேஞ்சன்ட்டும் ஜாயின் ஆகக்கூடிய this angle is 90 degree. Therefore 90 minus theta by 2 உள்ள subtract பண்ணிங்கன்னா 90 minus 90 minus into minus plus theta by 2, 90 cancel. Therefore angle OPQ equal to theta by 2 cross multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா, therefore theta equal to 2 into angle OPQ. Theta is also, let PTQ, theta equal to angle PTQ. Therefore angle PTQ equal to 2 into angle OPQ. Hence proved. Question number 29. Meena went to a bank withdrawal rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Meena bankல 2000 rupees withdrawal பண்ண போயிருக்காங்க. கேஷியர் கிட்ட 50 and 100 rupees நோட் மட்டும்தான் வேணுன்றாங்க. கேஷியர் 25 நோட்ஸு கொடுக்குறாரு. அதில் how many notes 50 rupees நோட்ஸு 100 rupees நோட்டுன்றதை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணோம். let x, y be rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes. 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. First equation 50x plus 100y equal to 2000. 50x plus 100y. 50 rupees note plus 100 rupees ரெண்டு சேர்த்து டோட்டலாக 2000 rupees ரிசீவ் பண்ணுறாங்க. டிவைடிங் 50 x plus 2y equal to 50 அப்படின்னா டிவைடிங் 50 10 கேன்சல் 1 5s are 5 4 5s are 20 0 equal to 40. It is equation number 1. Second condition, Meena got 25 notes in all. Therefore x plus y equal to 25. 50 and 100 rupees total notes, 25 notes. Therefore it is equation number 2. Solving elimination method. X cancel, 2y minus y oda value y, 40 minus 25 oda value 15. Substitute in equation number 2. X plus y equal to 25. X plus 15 equal to 25. X equal to 25 minus 15. X equal to 10. Therefore number of rupees 50 notes 10, number of rupees 100 notes 15. கவுண்ட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். 50 10 into 50 500, 100 into 15 1500. The total is 2000. Therefore number of rupees 50 notes 10 notes, number of rupees 100 notes is 15. It is the answer. Question number 30. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that bears a 2-digit number. First question. Therefore total outcomes 90. A box contains 90 discs. Therefore total outcomes 90. First question. A 2-digit number. A 2-digit number 10. First number start level 12 etc. 90. Therefore the total number of 2-digit number, total number of 2-digit number equal to 81 numbers. The total of 10 to 90, the total number of 2-digit number is 81. Therefore probability of 2-digit number, probability of 2-digit number equal to 81 by 90. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes oda value 81, total outcomes oda value 90. Solving 9 table, 9 9s are 81, 10 9s are 90. Question number 2. A perfect square number. Perfect square number is 1 4 9, 3 square is a 9, 16 25 36 64, sorry, next to 49, 7 square root value 49, next 64, next 81, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 4 9 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. Therefore, total number of perfect square number is 9 numbers. Total number of perfect square number 9 numbers only, 9. Therefore, probability of perfect square number favorable outcomes 9 by total outcomes 90, cancelling 1 9s are 9, 10 9s are 90, 1 by 10. Third question. A number is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5. Therefore, 5, 10, 15, etc. 90. Therefore, total number of divisible by 5 equal to 18 numbers. Get a 18 numbers. Count 18 numbers. Therefore, probability of number divisible by 5 is probability of number divisible by 5. Probability of number divisible by 5. Number divisible by 5 equal to 18 by 90. 1 18 is 18, 5 18 is 90. Therefore, 1 by 5 is the answer. 30. Our question. One card is drawn from well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting king of red color, spade, the queen of diamond. Total number of cards 52 cards. Probability of king of red color. Probability of king of red color. King of red color. Therefore, 2 by 52. 2 by 52. Cancelling 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 26 2s are 52. Second question. Probability of spade. Probability of spade. Spade symbol is total 13 cards. 13 by 52. 1 by 4. Probability of queen of diamond. Therefore, probability of queen of diamond. Queen of diamond. Diamond lo 1 queen mattum irukum. Therefore, 1 by 52. Queen of diamond. Therefore, 1 by 52. Question number 31. Metallic sphere of radius 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. 3 solid sphere melt பண்ணி இதனுடைய ரேடியஸ் 6, 8 cm, 10 cm. இதை 3 சாலிடையும் மெல்ட் பண்ணி ஆர் மெல்ட் டு ஃபார்ம் ஏ சாலிட் ஸ்பியர், நியூ ஒரு ஸ்பியராக ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறாங்க. ரிசல்ட்டிங் நியூ ஸ்பியராக ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஃபைண்ட் த ரேடியஸ் ஆஃப் ஏ ரிசல்ட்டிங் ஸ்பியர். நியூ ஸ்பியரோட ரேடியஸை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. வால்யூம் ஆஃப் த நியூ ஸ்பியரோட வால்யூம் 4/3 πr கியூப். அந்த ரேடியஸை கேபிட்டல் ஆர்னு சூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். இதனுடைய ரேடியஸ் R1, R2, R3. R1 6 cm, 8 cm ரேடியஸ். R3 வந்து 10 cm. ரேடியஸோட வேல்யூ 10 cm. Therefore 4/3 pi R1 cube, 4/3 pi R2 cube, 4/3 pi R3 cube. Therefore 4/3 pi R cube equal to 4/3 பையை காமனாக வெளியே எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா R1 cube, R2 cube, R3 cube. Therefore 4/3 pi cancel. R cube equal to 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. Therefore R cube equal to 6 cube oda value 216, 8 cube oda value 512, 10 cube oda value 1000. Therefore R cube equal to 1728. Adding these three values, 1728. Therefore, r cube equal to 1228 is also written as 12 cube. 12 cube oda value தான் 1728. Cube cancel. Therefore, r equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, new solid sphere oda radius 12 centimeter. Continue the question. 32 and 33 mark and 5 mark question solved next session.